Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, again this is a review video. So if you're interested in watching, make sure you're subscribed, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in today's video I will be talking about Traya. So Traya is a hair care brand. Actually you will be getting a customized hair care plan regarding the problems which you are facing these days, और जो भी आपकी hair related problem है, so they will give you a customized solution to it. So I got myself a hair fall kit because I was having too much of hair fall, so that's why I thought of doing that. And by the way, Traya is a vegan brand and it is made in India, and they are an amalgamation of Ayurvedic and allopathy, and their products, they are clinically tested, and many people have tried it. So I thought of giving these products a try. So they sent me according to my choice. So these products I have received. By the way, this is not sponsored. So let's see more about the brand and what all products I received. Basically, Traya hair care brand is focused on the hair fall solution or the hair fall problem which you are facing. So they have been doing this from quite some time now. So they treat your hair online. You don't have to go to any doctor, see any dermat. You can definitely go ahead and tell them about your problem, and then you can get a customized solution. So like I said, that they are an amalgamation of allopathy, Ayurveda and nutrition. So I have received 5 of their products which I will show you one by one. So one more thing, I'm not going to show you, give you a demo here, because I have just used these products for 2 weeks, and right now I am okay with these. I haven't seen so I would say I haven't seen any significant result in this. By the way, I have washed my hair with the shampoo today and I really like it. Even I oiled my hair, so I really like it. And by the way, they don't have any fragrance. Like the shampoo in particular doesn't have any fragrance other than the shampoo. All the products are very safe and you can take it, but you have to follow the instructions. So now I am going to include all the product shots, and I am also going to talk about the ingredients, what all you have in that.
So I have received these 5 products, that is Traya scalp oil, Traya hair fall shampoo, Traya nasal drop, hair fall tablets and hair root serum. And their packaging looks very nice, and you can see that these products are very safe to use, very gentle on your scalp and even when you are taking it. So the very first thing I have is here the Traya scalp oil. It has 60 herbs. It retails for 450 rupees, 42 essential oils it has. It stimulates hair growth, improvises hair thickness, it promotes scalp health, reduces hair fall, hair thinning, and treats dry scalp as well. The consistency is a little bit thick, but then it does have many ingredients like bhringraj, amla, aloe vera, coconut, etc. to make your hair very extra smooth and soft. And next I have their nasal drop. It is known as Shatavari Ghrita nasal drops, and it works wonders for hair fall control. A few drops of these nasal drops is as powerful as 3-hour session of any type of hair rejuvenation. Now next is Traya shampoo, and this has to be my favorite product out of all of these. This retail for again 450 rupees for 100 ml of product. It is sulfate free and contains biotin to minimize hair loss and support healthy hair growth. It has niacinamide and pea sprout extract that will help in revitalizing your hair from the root, shortening the telogen phase. So I am going from a telogen effluvium phase. My hair is getting very scanty, and the texture is very lightweight. It does not have a lot of fragrance. Works wonder for your hair. Now the next is the Traya root serum. This retails for 700 rupees. It's a mixture of caffeine and many more items. It prevents hair loss. It promotes healthy hair follicles. Please use this twice a day. It has biotin, camellia leaf extract and redensil. It is the best alternative to your hair transplantation, and apply just directly to your roots. It works like magic, and that's what they claim, and I like this product. The next is these Traya hair fall tablets. You have 120 tabs for 450 rupees, and it again has biotin, it has amla, it has bhringraj, it has ashwagandha, and it is very helpful. It will improve your hair quality. Take after your every meal. Like after lunch, take one, at least take one a day, and that would
Guys,
be
so
enough.
if you
It
ask
will
me
do miracles in
my
controlling
review, so I am just trying out. I am liking these products, so I will update you guys a month after a month or so, because I am not very sure about these products till now. I want to be honest with you, so that's what my honest opinion is. So yes, I hope you enjoyed the review, and yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.